The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Spruce Pine Police Department. At 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a house fire was spotted in a small neighborhood. The Spruce Pine Fire Department say that the fire was caused by a huge grease fire that was left on a stove overnight. Due to this, the owners of the house have died and the house has burned down. Stay tuned for more info on this dangerous situation.
No, again. Wait a little bit more, and done. Everybody, okay.